Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you want to make the cake decoration about the Halloween vibe? So I hope this video can also help you guys. So in this video, I would like to share you how to transform this cake decoration to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the cool cake decoration or layer cake, and also has the special decoration of Halloween vibe. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into the Frankenstein cake pop like this. Isn't that cool, right? So how to do that? Without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can visit your favorite AI photo editing, and here I am using the Nano Banana. And don't worry guys, you can go ahead with your favorite AI photo editing such as in the Gemini AI or Cdance or another or Flux or Create AI. You can go ahead, and here I will also share you the prompt that you can create into your version. And also, don't forget to do the login first with your email. And here I will start to click this Try Nano Banana. And the next step is I would like to upload a picture about my previous cake. For example, this one. And I will put it into this section. And after that, you can continue to click or put the prompt into this section. And basically the prompt will be like this: transform this cake to feature a collection of Frankenstein monster themed cake pops instead of tired cake. I will show you the output. Each cake pop should have the spherical or slightly elongated, and also primarily green to resemble the Frankenstein skin. And each cake pop needs visible stitches made of black icing, and also 2 small edible bolts or screw like this. This is the screw that can be the identity of the Frankenstein, and also protruding from the sides near the top to represent the monster's next bolt. And also the another detail will be the faces on the cake pop should be styled Frankenstein monster faces with the iconic flat top hat like this or like this. And also a menacing but cute playful expression, drawn with the black icing for eyes and mouth. This is the mouth and the eyes. And the cake pops are arranged artfully on a dark rustic table like this, and similar to original image setting like this. This is the original image setting, perhaps standing upright in a decorative holder or scattered among the existing Halloween decor like the autumn leaves and small skulls like this. And after that, maintain the dark spooky lighting and ensuring the detail of each individual Frankenstein cake pop are clearly visible and central focus. So this can be your inspiration to be your dessert during the party of Halloween. And after that, you can click run and kindly wait for the result down here guys. Well, basically the Frankenstein the look will be like this guys. That can be initially or the can be oftenly the costume of the Halloween guys. So this can be your inspiration to be your cake pop as the dessert during the Halloween. And after waiting for the several seconds, this picture can be transformed into this Frankenstein pop cake. Isn't that cute, right? So don't forget to try this prompt, and you can also let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.